The sea wolves of the north. A long, long time ago, in the cold lands of the north, lived a group of people called the Vikings. They were strong and brave, and they loved the sea. The Vikings lived in a place called Scandinavia. Today, we know these countries as Denmark, Norway, and Sweden. They were farmers and fishermen. But the Vikings were also great sailors. They built amazing ships called longboats. These ships were long and strong and could sail through big storms. The Vikings used their longboats to travel to other lands. They would sail to towns by the sea and take things. This was called a raid. The people in the towns were often scared of the Vikings. Sometimes, the kings of these lands would fight the Vikings. But sometimes, the kings would give the Vikings money and gifts to ask them to go away and not attack their towns. The Vikings were not just fighters. They were also explorers. They sailed to many new places. Some sailed west to a land of ice and snow called Iceland. Many Vikings liked Iceland and decided to live there. The people who live in Iceland today are their family from long ago. Some brave Vikings sailed even further west. They found a big new land. It was North America. They arrived 500 years before a famous explorer named Christopher Columbus. Over time, the Vikings changed. They stopped raiding towns and started to trade with other people. They became peaceful, and today, the countries of Scandinavia are known for being very peaceful places.